Hello, little friends! Today we're learning things we get from animals. What products do we get from these animals? What do we get from the pig? Milk, bacon, or eggs? From the pig, we get bacon. What do we get from the hen? Wool, cheese, or eggs? From the hen, we get eggs. What do we get from the duck? Eggs, wool, or cheese? From the duck, we get eggs. And what do we get from the cow? Eggs, milk, or meat? From the cow, we can get milk and meat. And what do we get from the sheep? Wool or bacon? From the sheep, we get wool. Can you tell me, what do we get from the goat? Bacon, cheese, or milk? From the goat, we get milk and cheese. Let's review. The duck gives us eggs. The hen gives us eggs. The goat gives us milk and cheese. The cow gives us milk and meat. The sheep gives us wool. The pig gives us bacon. Splendid! Super duper! Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. See you later.